Today we are going to start our second lesson in geometry. The name of the lesson is Pythagoras theorem. See, in theorem of Pythagoras, already we studied this theorem in 7th standard. In a right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. So this is actually theorem of Pythagoras. After that we had studied different Pythagorean triplets also. For example, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the biggest side, means 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So this is the Pythagorean triplet. After that we studied, last year we studied 30, 60, 90 theorem and 45, 45, 90 theorem. You know about 30, 60, 90 theorem. Side opposite to 30 is half of the hypotenuse and side opposite to 60 is root 3 by 2 into hypotenuse. Similarly, one more theorem we studied is 45, 45, 90 theorem, in which we studied two congruent sides are equal to 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse. So actually all this is the revision of this 7th and 9th standard together. Now in 10th standard we are going to begin with this theorem. The first theorem in the 10th standard of this lesson is similarity in a right angled triangle. The name of the theorem is similarity in a right angled triangle. Statement already I have written on the board. It is, in a right angled triangle, if altitude is drawn on the hypotenuse, then two triangles are similar to each other on the original. These two triangles are similar to each other as well as they are similar to original one. Now we have to prove this. So for the proof, first of all we have to draw a diagram. See, this is right angled triangle. What is this? This is our right angled triangle ABC. Now see the statement once again. In a right angled triangle, if altitude is drawn on the hypotenuse, means we have to draw the altitude from the vertex on the hypotenuse, that is BD is perpendicular. Altitude means perpendicular we have to draw. So I have drawn perpendicular BD on AC. Then here we are. Then two triangles are similar to each other. So see, this is our first triangle and this is second triangle. They are similar to each other. Okay. And they are similar to each other as well as these two are similar to original one. Means what is given thing? See, we will start. In triangle ABC, measurement of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree and we had drawn perpendicular on the hypotenuse AC. So say BD is perpendicular on AC. Like this it is our given. Now what we have to prove? That is to prove what we have to show. These two triangles are similar to each other and they are similar to the original one. Means triangle ADB. First thing, triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Now secondly, this is the second triangle. Triangle BDC is similar to original triangle ABC, and these two are similar to each other. So this is the third thing, means ADB is similar to triangle BDC. What we have to prove? This first triangle is similar to the original one. Second triangle is similar to original one, and first and second they are similar to each other. Now we'll begin with the proof. See our proof. We have to start from the given. In triangle ABC, what is given? Angle ABC is 90 degree and BD is perpendicular on AC. Seg BD is perpendicular on seg AC. These are the given things. We'll give the support as given. Okay. Then we have to consider first triangle, smaller triangle and the big triangle. So we'll write like this. In triangle, what is the name of triangle? ADC. We will say triangle ADB and the triangle ABC. ABC is the original triangle. Now, first triangle and the larger triangle, original triangle, we have to show similar. And we are going to use here a test of similarity. So what is, see, first of all we have to see angle ADB is 90 degree in the smaller triangle. So we will consider as ADB. First thing is angle ADB is congruent to angle which is 90 degree in the larger triangle. This ABC is right angle in the larger triangle. So angle ABC, and the support is each is 90. Okay. Now second thing is angle A. See, angle BAD is the angle in the smaller triangle, and the same angle we can read in the larger triangle as BAC. They are not different. This is one and the same. Only the names are different. So this is the common angle between triangle, smaller triangle and the original triangle. So we will write here BAD. Secondly, angle BAD is congruent to angle BAC. And the support is common angle. This is the common angle. As two, these are the two pairs of angle. They are congruent. Therefore, we can write triangle ADB. Now see, the sequence is very important. ADB is similar to larger triangle ABC. And the test is a test of similarity. And this is our first equation. What we prove? Triangle ADB means first smaller triangle is similar to original one ABC. So this is our first equation. Okay. Now for the second triangle, we have to consider second triangle and the original one. The name of the second triangle is BDC. So we'll consider, or we'll say, in triangle BDC and triangle ABC. BDC and ABC. Okay. So first thing is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. BDC is 90 degree. This 90 degree right angle in smaller triangle. Similarly, we have to find for larger triangle. ABC is 90 degree in the larger triangle, and the support is each is 90. how we showed above, na? Like that way. Now second equation. Second equation we will have this angle C. DCB is the angle in the smaller triangle, whereas same angle we have to read in the larger triangle as ACB. Okay, so this is the common angle between these two triangles. We'll write as DCB. Angle DCB is congruent to angle ACB, and the support is common angle, and therefore we can write triangle BDC is similar to, again sequence is very important, BDC, D is 90 degree and C is the common angle. So like that way we have to choose in the larger triangle. It will be ABC. ABC. Now see, D is congruent with the B. D and B are 90-90 and C is to C, means common angle. And the support is a test of similarity, and this is our second equation. Okay. Now see, first equation. In the first equation what we proved? Triangle ADB is similar to original triangle ABC. This is our first equation. And the second equation is triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC, and this is second equation. Now in first and second equation, one of the side RHS are one and the same. See, triangle ABC and triangle ABC, they are one and the same here. Means we can show LHS are also similar to each other. So we will write here triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC, and this is our third equation. So I think we got the answer. First equation we got triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. See, this is our first proof. Here we got the answer. And in the second equation, what we showed, triangle BDC is similar to ABC. BDC is similar to ABC. And in the third, these two smaller triangle means ADB and BDC, they are similar to each other.